Hello there, this is Dr. Osonwa's Kana. Last time we discussed on the complications that could arise from poor blood pressure control. Today we'll be talking on the preventive measures against development of high blood pressure. Or if you're already hypertensive, this preventive measure will help you keep your blood pressure at a normal level. Firstly, we'll have to talk about diet. Ensure you eat healthy, eat food that are rich in potassium, fibers, and protein, and food that are low in saturated fat and low salts. This will help you maintain a healthy weight and healthy blood pressure. And then you need to also consider if you are overweight or obese, you need to consider weight reduction. This can be through the maybe portion control in terms of diet or knowing when to eat and when not to. For those of us who would by 11 p.m. or even 12 p.m. or 1 a.m., you still find yourself in the kitchen. It's as much as possible you need to avoid those eating habits that put you at risk of being overweight or obese. So you need to eat healthy so you can stay healthy. You can also use exercise and many other approaches in weight control that will also help you to keep your blood pressure normal. Being physically active would help you maintain a healthy weight and prevent high blood pressure. Another preventive measure is avoiding the use of tobacco or smoking of any kind because smoking raises your blood pressure and puts you at risk for heart attacks, strokes, and many other disease conditions. Reducing alcohol consumption can also help. There is no safe level of alcohol consumption according to several studies that have been done. However, if you must drink for a low risk alcohol consumption, you are advised not to take more than 14 units in a week. For those of you who takes alcohol regularly, it is advised that this 14 units per week you spread it over days. All right. Subsequently, we will discuss on how to calculate the alcohol units per alcohol beverage or bottle that you consume. Then uh, other preventive measures include proper management of stress. Stress can come in different from either stress from work and many other conditions. However, finding a healthy coping pattern to help you ease off the stress is very important. You can practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, exercise, and meditations. There are other patterns that can help you manage your stress better. Also, stress, it is important to know that stress is a trigger factor for many development of many disease conditions. Regularly checking your blood pressure is also important so that whenever you notice it going high or above normal, you need to consult your doctor. You need to discuss with health personnel to be able to figure out what to do next. And then, if you are diagnosed of hypertension, it is important to treat it. All right, that's it for today's episode. See you next time where we'll be discussing on how to calculate the units of alcohol in the alcohol beverages that you take. And for those who cannot do without alcohol, so that you can know what level of it is okay for you, even though studies have shown that there's no safe level of alcohol. Or we'll calculate the unit and tell you what volume or what unit is adequate for you if you can do without alcohol. Thank you. See you next time.